Alright guys, we're gonna look at Claude AI SEO and how we can use Claude for SEO optimization and blog article writing. And also later in this video I'm gonna show you the 21 step SEO copywriting checklist and also how to use content cluster for better SEO. So with that being said, so let's look at how we can, how well we can write blog articles for our website using Claude AI. So the first prompt which I'm gonna give to write SEO optimized article using Claude AI is, this is the prompt: write a 1000-word pillar page on core topic. So we're gonna replace this core topic with best SEO tools and use our primary keyword in the URL title tag at the front and the first sentence. Include at least 3 H2, H3 headings with the keyword variations, a meta description, and 5 external links to authoritative sources. So what we can do is we need to turn on the web search, and if you want to optimize it to if you want to create a knowledge base, you can go ahead and do that, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. Or you can also write whenever, you can also give what we can what we can do right here is, whenever write in a first person perspective, write in a first person, and conversational, like you are talking with someone, and simple word flow. Okay, so we can give an extra prompt and then make sure the web is selected to pull the external authoritative sources. So what we can do is we can simply hit enter and it won't go ahead and write. It will give you a comprehensive pillar page about the best SEO tools for you, okay, based on your topic. Now it is writing a code, but I don't know why it is writing a code. So let me just have a look at okay, because I didn't give the blog article writing, so which is why it is it default writing a code. So if you look at the model, this model is smart efficient model, which is a Claude Sonnet 4. No, I'm using the free version. I'm not even in a pro, and we're gonna test the max with the free version. Okay, we're gonna take it to the limits, right? So that's what we need. Like many of you, like if you can't able to afford, then I'm gonna show you the best prompts which you can humanize or write a best SEO optimized article using a free version. Now we got the article, so here you can see. So let me just open in a full screen. So can I? All right, we are already in a preview, so let me just make it full screen. So okay, best SEO tools complete guide to boost your rankings in 2025. If you're looking for the best SEO tools, so we have got the highlighter to transform your website search engine performance. You have come to the right place. I've spent years testing dozens of SEO platforms. I'm excited to share my honest insights about which tools actually deliver results. All right, so we have got some good articles. Now you can see there is some external linking going on, which is to authoritative sites like google.com. So Google Search Console documentation linked to Google, so it's cool. And then we have this Moz Beginner's Guide to SEO, that's cool. And then we can see the Bright Local, which is a very popular SEO website. Now, all right, so this is very cool. All right, now it said I have created a comprehensive 1000-word. Okay, it went on creating a 1000-word pillar page on SEO tools, and then it features primary keyword, meta description, H2, H3, content structure is given, external links. Now you can see right here what are the external links it is pulling out sources from. All right, so this is one of the prompt. Now I'm gonna give the second prompt, which is create a supporting blog post about subtopic. The subtopic is gonna be best SEO writers, best SEO writing tool, best AI SEO writing tool. Okay, that links internally to create core topic, which is gonna be best SEO tools. right? Pillar. Address user intent directly, break into short paragraphs, 3-4 lines, and use bullet list where helpful. Now, once we have created this pillar content, now what we can do is we can give this prompt, which is a second prompt following up, and then click enter, and then it's going to create a supporting article, or maybe it's going to give you an extra information. So let's just wait till it writes the whole content. So it went on creating a supporting blog post. So as I said, the supporting blog post is going to be anywhere around 400 to 700 words about the best AI writing tools that complements your pillar page and includes a strategic internal linking. All right, nice. Now we have got this URL, something going on around, okay, internal linking. And so let's just wait till it writes. Okay, so we are getting, okay, copy AI. So it has a web access, which is why I told you guys it's important whenever you're writing on transformational, transactional post and commercial, right, and also informational too. It's really important to turn on the web search, otherwise you're not gonna pull up the real-time information, right? Now we have got the best AI writing tool, 7 game-changing platforms for 2025. Now it is also updated to the timeline. So we have got the Jasper AI, we have got Copy AI, Write Sonic, and then it goes on, okay? So we have this conclusion. Now, the one thing I didn't notice right here in this blog article and the previous blog article is FAQs. So yeah, Claude AI, you need to give a FAQs to make it right as FAQs, okay? Speaking of AI SEO writers, Arvo is one of the AI SEO writer which I recommend you and use. So you can literally generate 3 free articles and test it out and see how good it is. And they have a lot of features which I'm gonna later discuss in this tutorial. Now the third prompt which you need to give right after the creating a pillar content and supporting article is generate a click-worthy title tag and meta description for an article on topic. So we are just simply asking click-worthy title tag and meta description for the article. So I'm just gonna give here best AI writing SEO tool, and I'm just gonna paste it right here. Make sure the primary keyword is front-loaded in the title and the meta description includes the one keyword synonym. So let's test it out how well it is when it comes to clickbaity title tag and meta description. Now we have got the 3 variations right here. So one is a title tag and second one is a meta description. So one is best AI SEO writing tool, 7 game. Okay, we have already seen that. Best AI writing tool reviews. Okay, reviews is one thing people look up for. Best AI writing tool guide. Okay, and then we have these meta descriptions. Discover the best AI writing. Create a high ranking content faster. Compare top AI content. I like this, guys. I like this thing. And then find the best AI SEO writing tool for your needs. Our expert review covers 7 top AI writing software platforms with pricing, features, and real results. Okay, this is good. And then we have recommended combination. Now it went to why these keywords. It is also giving the reason. So all right, this is a very well explained. I like this. The fourth prompt to optimize your SEO is produce a 600-word how-to article on the long tail keyword phrase, which is gonna be the best AI SEO tools targeting near me searches. Add all text suggestions for 2 images and include a clear CTA at the end. Now instead of going near me, what I'm gonna do is targeting local searches. So it's better because nobody searches near me for this tool, right? So it's just a basic common sense. So I'm just gonna hit enter and it's drafting an article. Now it is always going into the code. Guys, if you're using any other CMS instead of WordPress, then this comes really handy. You can literally copy paste the whole thing. Even you can ask it to put it in a schema, and whether you're writing FAQs or if you have a reviews schema, if you want schema, the Claude will do it for you. Okay, now you can see it is also creating a CSS. I don't think we need CSS when we are just copy pasting it into the WordPress or CMS, because we already, the UI is gonna be already good. So that's what I think. Now, so I just asked 600, so let's just see how optimal it can be in under 600 word. So we are getting local search rankings. Okay, cool. Now we have the CTA section. Okay, how to use best AI tools for local searches. Now this title is not for the local, but instead it picked up the keyword called local searches. So it is understanding best AI tools to use for local, to rank in local. So it's a misunderstanding. Anyway, let's go on read why AI SEO tools are game changing for local businesses. Okay, so we have the image placeholder and suggested alt text, good. And then we have this step-by-step guide to using AI SEO tools for local success. We have this setup location specific keyword research. All right, generate local content, optimize GMB, advanced local search strategies. Okay, what is it? Create location specific landing pages, develop local link building, local schema. And then we have all these common mistakes to avoid. That's nice. And then we have the CTA. Okay, this is really cool. I like this, the way it's structured and the UI. I mean, generally we don't need any CSS, but anyway, this is really good. When you are creating, when you are using the CMS other than WordPress, like basically you are building, from scratch, then you can go with this. Now the next prompt which I'm going to show to you is outline a content cluster for pillar topic, which is going to be best SEO tools, listing 5 to 7 clustered posts with titles each aligned to specific long tail question or intent. Show the internal linking structure. Okay, so let's just see if it's gonna create. We couldn't connect to the Claude. Please check your network. Okay, let me just. Okay, all good. Now I've gave a prompt. Now it went on creating a content. Okay, all right. So best SEO tools, content cluster strategy, pillar hub, URL. We have got the title, target keyword, and word count. And then content cluster posts. We have free versus paid SEO tools comparison. That's good. And the long tail questions to target. Our free SEO tools as good as paid ones. That's a really good long tail keyword. Should I invest in paid SEO tools or stick with free? What's the difference between free and premium SEO tools? So we have got the second one, which is SEO tools for small businesses. What are the best affordable SEO tools for small businesses? Which SEO tools are worth it for small companies? How much should small businesses spend on SEO tools? And then we have this content focus, which is budget specific tool recommendations. And then ROI calculations for small business content, easy to use tool. Guys, whenever you see some kind of calculations or tools, you can literally use Claude to create a ROI SEO calculator and then put it in a like you can rank with the tools. Many people search for it. Enterprise SEO tools guide. Okay, we have also option to explain and improve. That's really good inside Claude itself. Long tail questions. We have this enterprise SEO tools guide, and then we have this word SEO tools to enterprise companies use. Okay, which SEO platforms scale for large websites? Now it goes on. You can pick one, and then we also have this from cluster post to pillar pages. Okay, there's a nice little anchor text right here, so given by Claude, and then we have this content calendar and production order. Nice, it's a really nice. So content upgrades and lead magnets. So we are getting literally every single information from it. Now we even got the conversion optimization. That's really good. The sixth prompt which we're gonna discuss is write an engaging introduction hook under 50 words for a post on a topic that immediately captures attention users. The primary keyword. Now I'm just gonna hit enter without giving a keyword. Let's just see if it picks up from my previous conversations. Okay, it didn't pick from my previous conversation. What specific topic you would like the hook for? What is your primary keyword? I'm just gonna go here, one or specific topic you like, SEO tools, AI SEO tools, and then the second one is gonna be what primary keyword best AI SEO. Okay, so let's just see. Now this is not specific, so let's just see if this Claude is intelligent enough, the free version is intelligent enough to pick up from my previous conversation. Here are 3 engaging hook options under 50 words for your AI SEO tools post. Option 1, action oriented, stop spending hours on SEO tasks that can finish in a minute. Now we can use these hooks when we are creating Instagram posts, or wherever you want to publicly post about your SEO, right, about your blog articles or content. So we have got this information, that's really nice. All right, now the 7th prompt, which is draft H2 or H3 subheadings and a brief paragraph for each section in a pillar article on core topic. Okay, the core topic is gonna be AI SEO writers, ensuring each heading contains relevant keyword clusters. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit enter and see how well this article is gonna be. Now we have got another article drafting again, so the complete outline. Now H2, what are the AI SEO writers that and why they are revolutionizing content creation? Okay, now this is general content. Okay, we have got the outlines, right? So AI SEO writers are sophisticated artificial intelligence platforms specifically designed to create search engine content optimization that ranks higher and converts better. Okay, we have got the small snippets of and the small overview, like it's just like an outline. Okay, we are getting a research level or creating a document. So I can see content quality issues and Google's AI content guidelines. Okay, it is pulling up the real information. That's nice. Now it went on creating a keyword strategy, primary keywords, real clusters, and long tail variations. And then content structure benefits, logic flow, okay, introduction to advanced techniques, and then multiple entry points, user intent coverage, comprehensive topic coverage. Okay, search flame, and then we have got this strategic heading features, commercial and informational balance for various funnel stages. Nice. Content depth, 12 supporting and H3 subsections each paragraph. Now guys, this is a really good prompt because it really well divided in a content wise. Now the content which it has written might not be a completely humanized, but what you can do is you can go here and review it and rewrite the article by yourself, taking this content, because it's really well structured. Okay, I just gave a prompt, create a 500 word case study on how ideal brand or person achieved 10x organic traffic using Arvo AI SEO Writer based on best AI SEO tools. Mention the primary keyword twice and include internal links to 5 related posts. Now we have got this, the pitch right here. It's just a case study. So we have got this nice little executive summary, and then the challenge. And then guys, this is like a writing like a so what do we call research paper, yeah. And then we have this solution, implementing Arvo AI SEO Writer, and then phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, results on impact, keywords and ranking, success factors, and then lessons learned, conclusion. We have got this nice little conclusion right here. Alright, so this is the Claude, guys. So alright, now we're gonna go through my 21-step SEO copywriting checklist and also go through use content cluster for better SEO. So let's start with the 21-step SEO checklist. Okay, I'm just gonna move this side, so I've just got the sticky note right here, and yep. Okay, alright, the first thing. So let me just take the pen out. Add primary keyword to your URL. So many people won't do it, and many people try to shorten the URL. Don't shorten the URL. It's nowhere said. I mean, rank math or East SEO by default, they suggest you to keep the URL short, but that's not the case. I mean, nobody looks at your URL, does it? Right? So you want to make Google a meaningful URL. So include whatever your title in the URL. Okay, so include main keyword in the URL. So that's the one thing for better ranking, and short keyword rich URL. So this is not the case. Okay, so I just want to make this as don't do this, or easier. I mean, the idea of short URLs came because it was easier for readers to remember or share, but nobody in a 2025 nobody does it, right? So why are you even worrying about shortening the URL, right? So let it go. You don't have to worry about it. Make it meaningful. Just make it meaningful. Okay, so I'm just gonna erase this. Let me erase this. All right. Now, second thing you need to keep in mind is the checklist is keep your URL short and concise. No. Keep URLs under 60 characters, yes, to improve SEO and readability. Eliminate unnecessary words and descriptors for clarity, okay? So you don't have to put unnecessary words, okay? You need to keep in mind. And the next thing we have is put the keyword in front of title tag, okay? Place your primary keyword early in the title tag for emphasis, okay? Example, SEO copywriting checklist, 21 tips to rank higher. Now that's one example, right? And the fourth thing we have is include the keyword in a meta description. Add your main keyword to make the meta description relevant, right? Click worthy descriptions that aligns with search intent. Okay, all right. Now the fifth one is add keyword synonyms to the meta. Use variations so that avoid overusing direct match keywords, okay? Like you don't have to spam with a keyword. Use variations. Opt for related phrases, synonyms, examples, SEO copywriting tips. You can also say SEO writing strategies. Now, sixth one, use the keyword in a first sentence. Place the keyword naturally in open lines, like whenever you're writing an intro without stuffing them. I mean, the good way to do is give users what they want, and then you can, start from introduction and create a content plan. Okay, so basically that's that. Sixth one, we have craft an engaging hook that captures the reader's attention. Okay, so that's what I mean. Okay, sixth one. Seventh one, we have put keywords in H1, H2, H3. Include your main keyword in the headings to signal content relevancy. Use variations in subheadings for better keyword clustering. So that's all And the eighth one, we have optimize images with alt text. Add descriptive alt text with the relevant keywords for each image. Ensure the text accurately describes the image to enhance accessibility. Okay. And the ninth one, we have include keyword cluster terms. Use related keywords like on-page SEO or meta description throughout. Helps rank for multiple search queries within a single page. Now, in my coaching program, I told to many of my students that you need to create a keyword cluster and sprinkle to the article so that your article ranks not only for one seed keyword but also many seed keywords. And the 10th one, we have add 5 external links. Link to authority sources to boost credibility and SEO. Example, reference Moz. Now, based on SEO, like if you're writing articles on SEO, then it's very relevant to refer this Moz, Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Google, SEO for fundamentals, which have high authority when discussing keyword research. The 11th thing is internal link to 5 pages. Link to other relevant pages on your site to improve navigation. Keep readers engaged by suggesting additional resources. Now, how do you increase? One way to increase the engagement time is creating a call to action to other pages. Make the users to stay in your domain. So that's how you do it. Internal link to 5+ pages. Make your text readable on mobile. Ensure your content looks great on all devices, especially phones. Use short paragraphs to meet Google's mobile's first standards. This is all you know. Test and improve website speed Use tools like page speed insights to identify speed issues, compress images, and enable caching for faster load times. So yeah, speed is also one of the important metric. And the 14th one which we have is avoid keyword stuffing. Use keywords naturally in a whole articles mixed in a related terms to avoid over optimization. Keyword stuffing can hurt rankings and reduce reader trust. Now, 15 is a hit search intent. Align content with the user goals. Educational, problem solving, and transactional. Satisfy search intent thoroughly to improve rankings and engagement. Now, one way to do is you can use infographics or images, convey to images, or give users what they want at the first place. 16.1 we have nail the hook. Start with a bold statement, statistic, or grab a question, question to grab attention. Think of it like social media. You need to make people want to read more, want to make people watch more. It's called retention. 17th one is use bullet points and numbered list. Break up text with list to improve readability and skimmability. Okay, you can break down the points. You don't have to be one paragraph boring. Like it's just a turn off for people. This is also important for ranking in Google's. People also ask feature. Okay, so and then we have this 18th one, which is eliminate large paragraphs. So the one way to do is bullet points. So basically this is the same thing. So I'm just gonna remove this. All right, so we have got the checklist, right? So it's not 21, but it's 18. I'm sorry, it's a 17. So I'm just gonna look at this one, 17 step checklist. So if you want more of this checklist, leave a comment. I'm just gonna reply to them. Okay, now speaking of using content cluster for better SEO, so I'm just gonna walk you through what is the steps you need to take. So first thing is identify core topic. Choose a broad, high traffic topic to build your content cluster around, and this topic becomes the pillar that supports related content. Now, once you find broad topic in your niche, create a pillar content like 3,000 to 5,000 words and including every single thing. Create a pillar page. So that's what it means. Develop a comprehensive pillar page covering the core topic in detail. It should serve as a central hub linking to all related cluster content. Next thing is you need to conduct keyword research. Identify long tail keywords, specific long tail keywords related to your core niche. Use tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to find low competition and high relevance keywords. And then you develop a cluster content, which is creating a support articles that address subtopics in your niche and related questions. Now, when I say related questions, it should be very specific. It's like a one-on-one. Each post should link back to a pillar page, which is the first 3,000 to 4,000 words which you have created, or to other related articles. And then link internally within the cluster. Ensure each piece of content in the cluster links to the pillar page. Use anchor text that is descriptive and relevant to the content. And then answer search intent. Each cluster piece should address specific user questions or intent. Focus on providing value, direct answers in each article. Use headers and subheadings. Break down. Now, key part here is you need to include keywords in headings and subheadings. Breaking content into clear sections using H2 and H3. And then the proper organization of headings helps improve readability and allows search engine to crawl content more easily. Update pillar pages regularly. Okay, now you don't need to worry about the supporting articles, but updating the pillar page gives Google signal that is a fresh content. Keep the pillar page fresh with updated data, links, and content. Regular updates help maintain relevance in ranking. Analyze performance. Use Google Analytics to monitor traffic, engagement for both pillar and cluster pages. Adjust your content strategy based on performance data. Now, what I mean by this is double down on what's already getting you impressions and clicks. Now, if it is getting you more impressions and clicks, if any particular keyword is getting you more impressions and clicks, then you need to double down on that keyword. Try to create content on it. Use visual content. Include infographics, images, and videos in both pillar and cluster content. Visual improves user engagement and time on page. Now, this is the number one metric when it comes to improving your SEO. Optimize for mobile. Ensure the entire cluster, including the pillar page, is mobile friendly. Mobile optimization improves user experience and SEO rankings. Many people create a blog and they just forgot about optimization, but it's really important. More than 90% of people go read your blogs through phone and mobile, so you need to optimize it. Okay, so with that being said, that's that. And here I want to introduce you AI SEO Writer. So here you can literally write SEO article using AI with a single SEO keyword, and then you have AI news articles. If you're writing in news articles, then you can fetch a real-time information, and then we have these other features. So if I show you one of the AI SEO article which is written by Arvo AI SEO Writer, so you can see literally right here, top 5 best fishing kayaks. So we have got the nice introduction right here. Images. Now these are AI generated images. Now you can see how accurate this is and how realistic. And then we have got this internal linking, external linking, automatic, and then we have this YouTube embedded. And then we have this FAQs, which is really good. And then the nice conclusion right there. So basically this blog article writes, this AI SEO writer writes, for each generation it writes around 1000 to 2000 words, which makes the article a content rich information. So the link will be in the description, make sure you check that out. If you want to optimize, you can also go to the campaigns on Autoblocks and create a campaign and run an automation. And then if you want to syndicate and post to other social media whenever you're publishing a blog, you can do that right here. And then we also have the integrations. If I show you what are the partners we have, which, various, you can see if you can establish a connection with your website, following CMS softwares, including Shopify, Wix, and Squarespace. So the link will be in the description. Make sure you check that out. With that being said, catch you on the next one.